Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying power and cables. This fixes most standby issues. First, confirm the Lenovo monitor LED is lit and the power cable is snug at the monitor and wall. Once done, switch the input selector to the correct source and reseat the video cable at both the PC and monitor. If you have a spare HDMI or display port cable, swap it now to rule out a defective lead. Make sure the outlet is live by plugging in a lamp or phone charger. Next, address software and power settings because drivers and sleep policies often send displays to standby. You should open Device Manager and check the display adapters for warning icons, update or roll back the driver as needed. Once done, open Power Options and set the display to never sleep or extend the timeout while you test. Make sure USB Selective Suspend and PCI Express Link State Power Management are off, because aggressive power savings can cause the monitor to stop waking reliably. Finish with hardware resets and isolation steps to pinpoint the fault. Use the monitor OSD to perform a factory reset, and after that power cycle, both monitor and PC, press and hold the monitor power for 10 seconds to clear capacitive remnants. Then test the monitor on a different computer to see if it wakes normally. If it still fails, reseat the graphics card, update the motherboard BIOS, and, if all else fails, contact Lenovo. If standby repeats, try swapping the monitor to confirm whether the issue is.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.